Hi. Okay, these are last notes for the week, and they're actually going to be the shortest and the sweetest. All right, so um, we're going to have directions today that are going to say find the indicated term in each expansion. Okay, this is something technically, let me make this bigger. Okay, this is something that you absolutely could see on the ACT, SAT, something along those lines. Okay, so here we go. Number one, we're going to have x plus 2y raised to the sixth power. And I don't want you to expand the whole thing. I just want to know what the third term is in this expansion. All right, so we don't need to do the whole thing. What we're going to do is we're going to go, we need first term, second term, third term. This is the one that I need. All right, since this is to the sixth power, that means our combination starts off as a 6, 0. This one would be 6, 1. And for the third term, it'd be 6, 2. All right, the next thing you would want to do is look at what you have inside your parentheses. Oh, wait, before we do that, there is a plus sign, which means everything is positive. So our term is going to be positive. All right, so what's inside is an x and a 2y in that order. So everything gets an x and a 2y. So an x, and we're going to put 2y in parentheses because it has to stay together. This one would have an x and a 2y. This one would have an x and a 2y. Okay, we're going to put in our exponents. All right, our first exponent would be the same as the combination. It'd be 6, 0. This would be 5, 1. This one would be 4, 2. Now, because we only want the third term, we're only going to simplify this third term. So in your calculator, put in 6c2. Find out how much that is. You're going to find out that that is 15. Okay, so we have 15. We have an x to the fourth. And then the squared goes to the 2 and the y. So 2 squared is 4, y squared. Go ahead and multiply that together. The third term is 60, x to the fourth, y squared. All right, so we were only looking for the third term this time, so we only had to go that far to get the third term. All right, we're going to do one more. All right, we're going to do x minus 1 to the 10th power. All right, but we want to find the sixth term. All right, so the sixth term, I'm going to set this up. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the guy I want. All right, since it was 10 to the first, since it was to the 10th power, it starts off with a 10, 0, 10, 1, 10, 2, and I know some of you probably don't need to do all these steps, but I do, and I'm sure there are those of you out there that will do all these steps. Okay, so I need my combination of 10C5. All right, now notice it's negative. So that means the first term's positive, and then it goes and alternates. Okay, so our term is going to be negative. All right, inside your parentheses, there's an x and there's a 1. In that order, everybody gets an x and a 1. X and a 1, x, 1, x, 1, x, 1, x, 1, x, 1. All right, and then we want to go ahead and put in our exponents. All right, so it would start 10, 0, 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5. That's the one I needed, was 5, 5. So now in your calculator, let's find out how much 10C5 is. 10C5, if you go ahead and you put that in the calculator, you're going to find out that it is equal to 252. But remember, there's a negative out front. And then we have x to the fifth. And 1 to the fifth doesn't do anything. So this is our sixth term in the expansion of x minus 1 to the 10th power. That is it for notes today. There's a worksheet that goes with this. It's a puzzle sheet. It actually asks you to do 5 of them. I've done all the rest of the puzzle sheet so you guys can fill it out and see if it's funny or not. I know usually it's not. Miss you guys. Bye.